My name is Jesper Rasmussen. I work for Bang Olufsen as a senior software developer. At Bang Olufsen, we try to do timeless technology and luxury products. So we are facing some problems with how we organize our repositories, software repositories. Of course, we can manage our everyday Git proficiency is good enough. Maybe you have gone down to a hole, or you need to have some help getting out of that hole and get on the right track and make the everyday development easier for each developer. And that's something that we have reached out to Eficode to help us with.
Why did you choose Eficode over other alternatives?
I've worked with Eficode before and have a very, very good experience of having a consultant working on premises with us. They have a possibility to reach out to a network behind to get solutions to our everyday problems.
What has your experience been like working with Eficode?
We are still working with Eficode, so that's good. And we are in the process of trying to translate our needs into something that is a new structure for our repositories. And there was also a speciality of taking in SDK changes from a chip vendor. There's some tricks around that we are trying to make better or do it faster because we actually need to make it more often.
What impact or value have you seen since working with Eficode?
Getting somebody that has in-depth knowledge, not in your problems as such, but in the domain, so you can translate your everyday problems into something that has been tried before in another company, in another similar setting, so you get that experience from other companies.
What makes Eficode unique?
That you get a consultant that is very knowledgeable in the area, and we have been making a good match with somebody that is deep into the problems that we are trying to solve already. So from day one, we are already getting a lot of results, so that's fantastic.